Applied Plastics' primary product is wire that has a PTFE coating on it that's used for lubricity and mold release. And having been in business for all these years, it's great to be number one, known as the best, and someone that impresses your customers.
We got in contact with Applied Plastics probably 20 years ago. My mentor, Art Goodwin, had just become aware of this incredible mandrel that people were starting to use to build catheters. We really did not envision that on its own it would grow into a substantial business. And I think it certainly has surpassed the expectations of Dave and the original Applied Plastics team, who this wasn't their business, right? Their business was contract coating. They weren't a medical device supplier.
The company was started by my father in 1953. If you wanted something coated, you would send it to us, and we'd coat it for you, put it in an oven and bake it. And when the catheter companies kept on requesting for continuous lengths of wire, we built our own equipment, and it took us a lot of years to perfect it. PTFE Natural is a process that will give you the most lubricious, the most durable finish you can get in the industry. And there are different metals that are coated. Stainless steel is the dominant material. People like nickel titanium or nitinol for its flexibility. And there are some people that love annealed silver-plated copper. It could be a hypo tube, it could be a wire. A lot of people have used our mandrels as a medical device, as a core wire, a stylet, a pull wire. They love the durability, they love the tight tolerance, they love the coefficient of friction / lubricity of our coated wires. We have wire prep equipment, then it's coated, custom built equipment. No one else has this equipment. A lot of this is 65 years of experience of how and what to do in order to make sure you have the properly cured coating so you don't have any durability or any flaking problems. And the quality is very consistent. That's always been a passion by my father, myself, and long-term employees.
Really what Applied brings to the market is years of technical know-how on how to make the most consistent, tight tolerance coating in the industry.
It's thinner, it's more lubricious, it's more consistent than anything else out there. The coating is super durable and can be reused, and frequently our customers will actually design around that to make sure that they're actually taking advantage of it and not tossing away a perfectly good product. So it really does have the opportunity to let these manufacturing engineers do what they do best, which is design a process that's optimal for that application.
In every customer visit, I have had customers tell me that Applied makes the best mandrels in the industry. They love our coatings, the engineers love to use our products, and that makes me pretty excited about the business we're in and pretty proud of the processes that the team has developed over the years and the high level of quality that we bring to our customers.
We have three types of customers: the blue chips, the startups, and the contract manufacturers. We can help all three groups because of an extensive inventory of finished product and a lot of inventory that we can produce in the high volume quickly. And we have the bench now to handle all the documentation that's required so you can start the project. And it's always nice to turn a new customer on to how good the product is, but we always wanted to be ready to take that added increased work. And it was time for me to bring in Van Street Capital just to help build up on that. They know the business. They've worked in the catheter industry itself, so it's been wonderful.
Dave Ring, his dad, and the team really built a great business. To enable us to get to that next level, that's where Van Street Capital comes in. They sold to a great partner, and what we've been doing here and we're very focused on is continuing to invest in the business. We're investing in assets of equipment and capabilities so we continue to stay ahead from a capacity perspective. We're investing in people, in business processes and infrastructure, ERP systems, to build the business infrastructure and the foundation so that we can continue to grow the business. And lastly, we'll continue to focus on the technology. We have proprietary processes and proprietary equipment. We'll continue to invest in the development and the research around making sure that as the industry grows, Applied Plastics is capable to continue to supply all of our customers with uninterrupted service and continue to give them the best quality product in the market.
All of us at David Schner Associates are really excited about what the potential for the company is now, based on new markets and new investment and new people coming in. It's a really exciting time to be working with them.
I'm excited that my father and myself are leaving something that can just continue on, and I know it's got a great future.